Good morning, everyone. Myself, Sandeep K, Assistant Professor in Commerce. Now I am going to present a lecture on the topic Incidence of Tax, Scope of Total Income. Please see problem number 5. The following are the incomes of Mr. Rajmohan for the previous year 2019-20. There are 13 items given in the problem. Please see last sentence. Compute the gross total income for the assessment year 2020-21 if Rajmohan is point A, ordinary resident. Point number B, not ordinary resident. Point number C, non-resident. Okay, write down solution. First of all, write down heading, computation of gross total income of Mr. Rajmohan. Draw one particular 3 amounts column. In amounts column, write down OR, NOR, NR. Okay, please see. First item, income from agriculture in South Africa, rupees 40,000. First of all, classify the income into Indian income and foreign income. Indian income recorded in 3 columns. Foreign income recorded in only 1 column, that is OR column. Okay. If any foreign business controlled from India, then NOR also has to pay tax. Okay. This one, income from agriculture in South Africa, foreign agricultural income fully taxable, taxed in the hands of OR. Okay. Amount write down in OR column. Okay. Write down income from agriculture in South Africa, foreign income, OR column only 40,000. Next, number 2, salary received in India but services rendered in Iran, 20,000. If any income received in India, it becomes Indian income, whether service rendered in India or outside India, it doesn't matter. Okay. Write down number 2, salary received in India but services rendered in Iran. Indian income, all are taxable, 20,000, 20,000, 20,000. Okay. Number 3, profit from business in India, 30,000. You know this one, Indian income. Number 3, profit from business in India, Indian income, 30,000, 30,000, 30,000. Next, number 4, dividend from domestic company, 5,000. Number 4, dividend from domestic company. Domestic company means Indian company. Dividend received from Infosys or TCS, whatever it may be. Okay, understand? Exempt from tax. Exempt, exempt, exempt. Next, number 5, income from business in London but controlled from India. 1/3 received in India, rupees 30,000. Income from business in London, okay, but controlled from India, 1/3 received in India, rupees 30,000. Please refer note 1. Note, please see point number 5, income from business in London but controlled from India, 1/3 received in India. Okay, out of 30,000, 1/3 received in India, it becomes Indian income. Okay, point A, Indian income, 30,000 into 1/3. How much? 10,000. Okay. All are taxable. Write down 10,000 in 3 amounts column. 10,000, 10,000, 10,000. Okay. Point B. Remaining 2/3 income, foreign income. Understand? Income from business in London received outside India. Okay. Foreign income, 30,000 into 2/3. How much? 20,000. Okay. Over column write down 20,000. Okay, please see the information given in the transaction. This business controlled from India. If any business controlled from India, then NOR also has to pay tax. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಯಾವುದೇ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಿದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತ ವ್ಯವಹಾರವನ್ನ ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದುಕೊಂಡು ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ NOR ಸಹ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಆ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತಾ, ಫಾರಿನ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. 20,000. ಓಕೆ, ಟೋಟಲಿ OR column 30,000, NOR column 30,000, NR column 10,000. Okay, write down in solution. Point 5, note 1, 30,000, 30,000, 10,000. Understand? Next, number 6th one, income earned and received in Japan and amount was remitted to India rupees 10,000. Income earned and received in Japan. Don't worry about remitted, okay, leave it. Income earned and received in Japan, it means foreign income, only OR has to pay tax. Okay. Number 6, income earned and received in Japan, foreign income, okay, OR column alli 10,000 entry ಮಾಡಿ. Next, number 7. Past untaxed foreign income brought into India during the previous year 1920, 15,000. Past untaxed foreign income brought into India during the previous year 1920, not taxable. Okay, write down N.T in all amounts column. Okay, next, number 8. Income from business in India but received in England, 50,000. Income generated in India, okay, so it becomes Indian income, all are taxable, whether received in India or outside India, it doesn't matter, okay. Write down number 8, income from business in India but received in England, 50,000, 50,000, 50,000. Next, number 9, income from house property in Japan not received in India, okay, income from house property in Japan, okay, foreign income not received in India, so it becomes foreign income. Understand? Only OR has to pay tax, 30,000. Write down. Income from house property in Japan not received in India, foreign income, OR column, 30,000. Next. Number 10. Interest on deposit with the State Bank in Bangalore, rupees 10,000. Interest on deposit with State Bank in Bangalore, Indian income, all are taxable, 10,000, 10,000, 10,000. Next, number 11, salary received in USA for service rendered in Delhi, rupees 60,000. Income arised in India but received outside India, so it becomes Indian income. Okay, ಆದಾಯ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಯಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಯಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಆದ್ರೆ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡಿದಲ್ಲಿ USA ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್, ಅದು ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸೇಬಲ್. ನಂಬರ್ 11, salary received in USA for service rendered in Delhi, Indian income, 60,000, 60,000, 60,000. Next, number 12, capital gain on sale of agricultural land situated at Ajmer urban area, 50,000. Agricultural income derived from the sale of agricultural land situated in urban area, fully taxable. If agricultural land situated in a rural area, then it is exempt from tax. Capital gain on sale of agricultural land situated at Ajmer urban area, taxable, Indian income. Okay, write down number 12, capital gain on sale of agricultural land situated at Ajmer urban area, Indian income, all are taxable, 50,000, 50,000, 50,000. Next one, number 13, interest received from Mr. Dayal, a non-resident, on the loan provided to him for a business in India. Interest received from Mr. Dayal on the loan provided to him for a business in India. Okay, loan given to business in India. Understand? So it becomes Indian income, all are taxable. Okay, interest received from Mr. Dayal, Indian income, all are taxable, 28,000, 28,000, 28,000. Okay, we recorded all items, then total it. OR column, 40,000 plus 20,000 plus 30,000, total it. Okay, 3,58,000. NOR, 2,78,000. Next, NR, 2,58,000. Write down gross total income. These are some information relating to problem number 5. Thank you.